In this video, I'm going to talk about something that's really important for success in any field: the ability to manage people. Trust me when I say this. These skills are invaluable no matter what your position is, no matter how long you've been leading, no matter how long you've been thinking about leading, or just life in general. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, if you're watching this, you're clearly looking to become a better manager, to enjoy your life better, to take some skills and to level up. To help you with that, there's a free guide in the description below. Being a manager is not about yelling out orders and delegating tasks. No matter what you see on TV, in the movies, wherever. Instead, it's about being a leader who inspires, motivates, and guides their teams to success. It's about creating a positive work environment where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to do their best work. As someone who's been in the management game for a little while, I can tell you that this is not always easy, but it is one of the most rewarding experiences that you can have in your career. Whether you're a seasoned manager or you're just starting out, here are the basics of being a good manager. The first thing is that you need to lead by example. As a manager, your actions speak way louder than any of your words. If you want your team to be punctual, professional, productive, then you need to be setting this example. This means that you're on time, you're dressed appropriately, and you are ready to work. It also means being a good listener, showing empathy, and being open to feedback. Your team will take their cues from you. So make sure that your actions align with the values and standards that you want to see from your team. Next is you need to communicate effectively. Good communication is the key to a successful team. It's important to keep your team informed about changes, updates, and important decisions. But it's not just about broadcasting the information out there. It's about listening to your team and encouraging open and honest dialogue. Make sure you're available to answer questions, provide feedback, and to address concerns. Remember, good communication, it goes both ways. So make sure you're giving your team the opportunity to share their thoughts and their ideas. Number 3 is that you empower your team. One of the most important things that you can do as a manager is to empower your team. This means giving them the tools, resources, and support that they need in order to succeed. It also means trusting them to make decisions and take ownership of their work. When you empower your team, you'll create a culture of responsibility and accountability, and your team will be more likely to take initiative to solve problems on their own. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive a little bit deeper and take a look at some actionable steps that you can take to become a better manager. The first thing you can do is hold regular check-ins with each team member. This will give you the opportunity to discuss their goals, provide feedback, and address any concerns that they may have. Next, lead by example and show empathy. This will help create a positive environment where everyone feels valued and respected. 3, provide opportunities for growth and development. This could mean offering training and development opportunities, providing access to resources, or giving team members new and challenging projects to work on. Being a good manager is not just about having that fancy title and the fancy office. It's about being a leader who inspires and guides their teams to success. Now, this may seem overwhelming. I get it. But worry not, my friends, because in this video, I share what to do if you're starting to feel like you're in over your head and you're starting to get overwhelmed. Get your coffee. See you in that video. Ciao.